What's up guys, and welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw your PayPal funds to your bank account. So if you're in Nigeria, I'll be showing you how you can withdraw it to your Nigeria bank account, and if you're not in Nigeria, you don't need to worry. I'll show you how you can withdraw it to your bank account. So without further ado, let's dive in. You're going to learn how you can withdraw your PayPal funds to your Nigerian bank account or to any bank account depending on wherever you are. So stick with me, and also I'll also be showing you how you can earn some PayPal money. Okay, so if you're watching this video, probably you're already earning some PayPal money. Okay, that's fine. I'll be showing you how you can make more money for yourself. And also, after watching my video and you cannot still withdraw money to your account, okay, so there's something I'm going to do for you. So if all in all you're not able to withdraw money to your account, okay, so just head over to konvati.com/withdraw. You're going to send me the amount of money you want to withdraw, then I can help you to withdraw it. If you're in Nigeria, I will send you the money straight up to your bank account, and if you're in another country, I'll send you Bitcoin or whatever payments you want to receive. So that is one way I can help you. So either way, watching this video, everybody's going to learn something, or everybody's going to get something. So let's try and withdraw $50 and let's see what it says. Okay, so let's click on next. Okay, so we're getting this error, things don't appear to be working right now. Okay, so we see this error, things don't appear to be working right now. So this is an error from PayPal. So PayPal does not accept all kinds of cards. Okay, so if you're using a MasterCard, I don't know about that, but even if you're using a Visa card, I don't think PayPal is also going to accept your Visa card. You have to use a prepaid Visa card. Okay, so we're going to cancel this. So I just got my Visa card and decide I have a course if you want to learn how to open a verified PayPal account. So number one, your account needs to be a verified PayPal account, and you still have to get the addresses right. Okay, you still have to get the address right. So I have a course, I have a PayPal course on that. If you want to learn how to open a verified PayPal, if you want to learn how to link your card, if you want to learn how to use your PayPal accounts to receive and send money, okay, and also if you want to learn how to withdraw your PayPal funds to your bank account, so I have a course. I'm going to teach you how you can do all of that without no hustle. Okay, so let's get on back to the video. Okay, so first of all, you have to get a UBA prepaid card. Any other prepaid card, you know, a UBA Visa prepaid card. It can be a dollar card or it can be a Naira card. Okay, if you're in Nigeria, just get a UBA prepaid Naira card. If you're out of Nigeria, get a UBA prepaid dollar card. So just go to a UBA branch and ask them that you want a prepaid card. So they'll give you a form to fill and you will get it that same day. So once you get it, you just head over to PayPal. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. You head over to your dashboard. Okay, so once you get your card, you activate your card. So you come here, link a debit card. So let's click on this. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. So you put in your card details. So once you link your card, I already done mine, so I'll cancel this. This is my UBA prepaid Visa card, so I'll just click on it and click next. Okay, so I have $763. Okay, so I want to withdraw everything because leaving your PayPal money is just too risky. So I'll withdraw everything. So just okay, let's withdraw just withdraw 750. Okay, so I'll be withdrawing 750. So let's click on next, and don't worry, I'll be showing you how you can get this money to your Nigerian bank account. So we're going to click on transfer now. So we're going to it. Okay, you have, so as you can see, it was successful. It didn't give me that error. It successfully transferred the money to my bank. So I'll be showing you to my card rather. So I'll be showing you how you can transfer this money straight up to your bank account. And don't worry, if you still get an error, I can still help you. Okay, so just go to konvati.com/withdraw. Okay, so I will help you to withdraw your funds. So if you're in Nigeria, I'll send it to your Nigeria bank account. If you're not in Nigeria, I will send you Bitcoin or whatever payment method you want. So either way we earn. So we're going to click on done. So we're going to be redirected to our dashboard. As you can see, The remaining balance is $13. Wow. And also watch this video to the end. Watch this video to the end. I'll be showing you how you can earn some PayPal money. That's the most important thing. Probably if you're watching this video, you're already earning some PayPal money, which is very, very good. So I'll show you how you can earn more. I'll show you what you can do to start earning some PayPal money without hustle. You just have to set up your website, and that's all. Just set it up, and that's all, and just watch the money start coming in. So as you can see, it's withdraw to our card. So but I'm going to pause this video now and check my mail. So as you can see, it didn't take up to 5 minutes, it didn't take up to 3 days. The money is ready in my prepaid card. So with the money in your prepaid card, you can go to any ATM and withdraw the money, or you can use it to shop online, or you can use it to buy stuff online. But I'll be showing us how we can withdraw this money to our bank account, so our Nigerian bank account. So in order to do that, let's head over to QuickTeller. So we'll be using QuickTeller. So let's go to QuickTeller. So when you're in QuickTeller, you just put in your account number, or anybody's account number you want to transfer to. So as you can see, I'll be withdrawing everything to 87. So let's just go to QuickTeller. Then put in our card details. So I'm going to pause this video and put in the card details, everything. So let's just click on pay. Okay, let's just click on pay. So as you can see, I have successfully transferred my PayPal funds to my bank account, and it didn't take me up to 30 minutes. So if I can do this, you can do this. But if you're having problem, okay, if you're not able to link your card, or if you're not able to, I can help you out. Just go to konvati.com/withdraw. I repeat, konvati.com/withdraw. If you're also interested in selling domains, okay, just head over to konvati.com/domain. I will show you how you can start selling domain like Namecheap, okay, and GoDaddy and all those domain sites. You can do exactly what they are doing and earn money. You can use PayPal to receive your money. You can receive your money in cryptocurrencies, or you can use your normal credit card. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that. Just head over to konvati.com/domain. So I'll be showing you how you can start and set up your web hosting business like Namecheap, Bluehost, SiteGround, GoDaddy, so on and so forth. So I'll show you how you can set up a site exactly like that and start selling hosting. Okay, and the best part of it is that everything is going to be automated, so you don't need to worry about setting up the packages. Once a visitor visits your web hosting site and purchase a hosting package from you, so this is what is going to happen. Once a visitor visits your site, the person goes through the list of your web hosting packages you have, and the person selects one. When the person makes payments, the person's cPanel account is automatically generated for the person, so you don't have to do anything. So you just have to sit back and watch the money enter into your account. So that's all. You just have to set up your hosting account once, and I'll be showing you how to do all these things step by step. So if you are interested, and if you want to learn how to set up your web hosting business, if you want to start earning some extra income for yourself, then go to konvati.com/webhost. Okay, I repeat, konvati.com/webhost. So if you are interested in learning how to set up your web hosting business like Namecheap, GoDaddy, SiteGround, and so on, just head over to konvati.com/webhost, and I'll be showing you step by step on how you can set up your web hosting business. And you really have to do this once, okay? So just have to set up your web hosting business. Basically, what we are doing is setting up our website. So we just have to set up our website once, and that is all. We don't have to do any other thing again. We set up our website, and people start purchasing hosting from us, and we start earning some extra income for ourselves. So if you are interested, or you just want to know how to, or you want to know how the web hosting business works, you want to know how Namecheap, GoDaddy, SiteGround, how they host your websites, head over to konvati.com/webhost. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, please give this video a thumbs down, and let me know the reason in the comment section below. Okay, so see you guys in my next video.